Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, chapter number 8, Future Time. Turn the page number 68. Change the following sentences into simple future. Make necessary changes in the sentences if required. The proposed east-west metro takes you to the other side of the river. You have to change into simple future. The proposed east-west metro will take you to the other side of the river. We are going to visit the animal shelter this weekend. We shall visit or we will visit the animal shelter this weekend. Is Jatin planning to take the test this year? Will Jatin plan to take the test this year? Tomorrow is a holiday, therefore the shops are not going to open. Tomorrow is a holiday, therefore the shops will not open. You are going to like this book a lot. You will like this book a lot. He is going back to finish his work tomorrow. He will go back to finish his work tomorrow. Today is very humid and the sky is cloudy. It is going to rain tonight. Today is very humid and the sky is cloudy. It will rain tonight. Next, the assembly is scheduled to begin at 9:45 am. You can say the assembly will be scheduled to begin at 9:45 am. Or the structure of the simple future is subject plus shall or will plus V1. So in this way you can say the assembly will schedule to begin at 9:45 am. Next, Sonia will receive the award for bravery from the president. You have to change into double question. What will Sonia receive for bravery from the president? Corruption will ruin any country. You have to change into negative interrogative. Won't corruption ruin any country? Or you can also say, will corruption not ruin any country? My tutor will come tomorrow. Will your tutor come tomorrow? He will come again after 2 days. You have to change into negative. He won't come again after 2 days. I will remember what you did for me. You have to change into negative interrogative. Won't you remember what you did for me? Next, she will buy the book for me. Change into double H. What will she buy for you? Promise me that you will not mistreat others. You have to change into affirmative. Promise me that you will respect others, or you can say promise me that you will treat good others. Then next, we shall play our musical instrument together. Change into negative. We shan't play our musical instrument together. Then next, turn page number 71. Use the future continuous form of the verb to complete the sentences. Choose the right option from the options. Choose the right option from the ones given below. I usually visit the gym every evening, but tomorrow evening I shall be watching a concert with my friends. I dash for you at the train station. I will be waiting. Okay, I will be waiting for you at the train station. She dash from tomorrow onwards. She won't be working from tomorrow onwards. The bus dash to allow the passengers to get refreshed. The bus will be stopping. Okay, C option. The bus will be stopping to allow the passengers to get refreshed. From now on, I dash only on Mondays and Thursdays. From now on, I will be working on Mondays and Thursdays. Next, he dash after you until you get better. He will be looking. B option. We dash the committee over lunch tomorrow. We shall be meeting. Okay, we shall be meeting. First option. I dash you whenever I get time. I will be visiting you whenever I get time. I think this video will help you. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.